Hello friends, welcome to my channel, NS Knowledge. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe by clicking the below icon. Today, I am going to share some lessons, how to improve yourself. I believe in typing less and meaning more. I am sharing with you one of the most candid lessons I learned in life. I also learned that implementing such lessons in life could be game-changing for anyone. Lesson number 1, a crow was sitting on a tree, doing nothing all day. A small rabbit saw the crow, and asked him, "Can I also sit like you and do nothing all day long?" The crow answered, "Sure, why not?" So, the rabbit sat on the ground below the crow, and rested. All of a sudden, a fox appeared, jumped on the rabbit, and ate it. Moral of the story: to be sitting and doing nothing, you must be sitting very, very high up. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe.